proceed as I will guide you. One, when we finish these preliminaries, I'll give you about 10 minutes. If you can use less, the better, to introduce yourself and tell the committee about yourself. After that, we will go into the process of verification of your documentation. And upon doing that, then we'll go to members asking you questions or making comments about you. In so doing, everything must be done through the chair. There should be no direct exchanges between you and any of the members of the committee in whatever circumstances. We encourage that the answers be precise, reflecting to the question asked. There is no point giving us excess material where a question is very clear on what the members want. There could be an opportunity for a supplementary to a question, subject to the chair allowing. And when we finish, we will allow you another 3 minutes or so to state your wish to this committee, if any. We'll start by requesting you to present documents that were asked of you, compliance with tax obligations from KRA. What I advise you to do is, if you have them in a bundle, I'll read them out to you, then you give it to the clerk next to you. They'll check if they have any deficiencies, they'll advise me, and I'll come back to you. If there are copies, they will require to see the originals, which is something you can do with them. If you don't satisfy them, then they'll come back to us. So we'll want your compliance.
Yeah, I have my originals.
If you just hold on,
Yeah.
Honorable Duale.
Yeah.
You will provide your compliance with tax obligations to the state from KRA, your clearance with Higher Education Loans Board, your clearance with Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, ESCC, your certificate of good conduct from DCI. I think those are the documents you should, and of course your national identity card, and your academic certificates in the original form.
Yes.
You'll eventually leave us copies and go with your originals, but they need to compare the originals and the copies.
I have both in original and in soft copy certified.
Excellent.
Okay.
The first issue for clarification before we open to the plenary of the committee is to ask you whether you are a dual citizen of Kenya and any other jurisdiction.
Chair, I'm a Kenyan by birth.
Are you a dual citizen?
I am not.
Between Kenya and any other country?
I am not.
You are not. Thank you. I now give you the 10 minutes. If you spend less, I'll salute you.
I will, Chair, and